Today we're cooking sweet potato Spanish tortilla. So today we're making Spanish tortilla. It is a really versatile RV kind of dish. You can eat it hot, you can eat it cold, you can take it for a packed lunch on a hike, or you can dress it up with some salad and a few sides. Today we've paired it with Branston pickle, which is one of my favorites. It's a sweet pickle from England actually, but you can get it here in the United States in most grocery stores. Our ingredients today are simple: eggs, sweet potatoes, onion and garlic. From the pantry we've got olive oil, a good quality salt and some fresh ground pepper, and as an option you can add Italian seasoning. Equipment is simple too. You'll need a skillet with a lid, a mixing bowl, your chef's knife, a spatula and some tongs. If you have one, a mandolin will make short work of slicing, but this is also a good opportunity to practice your knife skills. To prep the ingredients, peel and slice your sweet potatoes. Make the slices around 1/8 of an inch, and you can do this with your knife or on a mandolin. Next, peel your onion and slice it lengthways along the tip to the root. Peel and finely chop the garlic. Then crack your eggs into the mixing bowl and beat them lightly to break the yolks and combine with the whites. And now season lightly with salt and pepper. Go ahead and put around 1/2 inch of oil in your skillet and bring it up to heat. Too cool, and the oil won't get the little bubbles when you drop in a piece of potato, so wait until you get the bubble effect. The key to a really good Spanish tortilla is to shallow fry the potatoes in olive oil. This gives them a deep, rich flavor without crisping them up. Now layer in your potato slices, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. You'll have to cook these in batches, and be careful not to get them overcooked. You want the potatoes pliable and fork tender, but not brown and crisped. Remove them from the oil with tongs, shaking off the excess, and place them directly into the egg mixture and fold them in. Continue this process until you've cooked all the potatoes. When you're through cooking the potatoes, add the onions to the oil, along with some salt and pepper, and cook for 2 minutes before adding the garlic. When the onions are soft and cooked through, remove them from the oil and fold those into the egg and potato mixture. Now drain most of the excess oil from the pan, but leave around a tablespoon to cook the tortilla with, and transfer the egg, onion and potato mixture from the mixing bowl into your skillet. Level the mixture out and cook on medium heat for a couple of minutes before covering with the lid. When the edges begin to firm up, it's time to flip the tortilla. You can either slide it out onto a plate, place another plate on top of that and flip it before sliding it back into the pan, or just use a plate on top of the skillet, which is the quicker but sometimes messier approach. Now cook the second side for around 5 more minutes, and then flip the tortilla back out onto a plate and let it cool a little. You will have some oil left over that you use to cook the potatoes with. You can save this in the fridge to make another tortilla. Just remember to strain it. You can serve this warm or at room temperature, and it refrigerates well and could store in the fridge for up to 4 days. If you want more recipes made in the RV kitchen, you can subscribe to our channel. Check out our other recipes on the web at rvkitchen.tv, or follow us on social media. Eat well and enjoy the roads less traveled.